Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite ways to make money online, which is through affiliate marketing. And I did a couple videos a couple days ago about how to earn $1,000 a day on affiliate marketing. It's a training that I'm currently taking, and I kind of wanted to give you guys an update. It's only been a week, but kind of wanted to give you guys an update of how much I have made, talk a little bit more about affiliate marketing, especially if you want to start making money through a different avenue for 2020, and how to get started. So if you are interested in learning how to make money through affiliate marketing, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. And if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment below if you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and if these videos actually help you. So just let me know below. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm in the middle of taking a course right now through a company called ClickBank University, and it's the same place where I promote their products. It's through ClickBank. So I will leave the link for ClickBank University below. It is an affiliate link if you end up using it for myself. It's a small commission I make. However, I highly recommend at least checking out the introduction video so you could kind of understand what is ClickBank, how you can make money from it, and everything else that comes with it. Now, ClickBank is a company where you could sign up as an affiliate marketer, and it's free to sign up. And you could find products and services that you could promote. You don't need a blog. You could promote it through Facebook ads. You could promote it through email. You could promote it, let's say, through Pinterest. The only requirement is that you read the terms and conditions of every single individual product, only because some of them have like strict terms, like you can't use specific keywords. Some give you everything that you need to know on the product and all the keywords and everything to help you become successful. But just make sure that you read the terms and conditions of each individual product that you want to promote. That way you're not breaking their rules or guidelines. That's the only requirement. Now, with the ClickBank University training that I'm currently taking, they teach you step by step how to be a successful affiliate marketer. And this is why I wanted to promote it to you guys, because it has been working for me, and it is amazing all the stuff that I have learned. I have been involved in affiliate marketing now for 10 years. But what happened with me was in the beginning of my career, I was doing just everything. I was doing blogging. I started my blog. I started doing affiliate marketing. I was all over the place. I really didn't put 100% on affiliate marketing. So I never really learned it completely. Now I do affiliate marketing through Creative Market. I do affiliate marketing for other people selling their stock images, and I make pretty decent money. But with ClickBank, is the limit of money that you can make is unlimited. You can make up to 50, 75, 95% of every single sale. Plus, if it's a monthly commission, let's say the person is signing up for like a monthly plan, you keep making money monthly as well for majority of the services. So the money is endless. I'll give you an idea. In Creative Market, I make about anywhere from 100 to 400 a month, and that's just extra money in my pocket. But I sell anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000, and I only make 10%. If I sold $4,000 on ClickBank, I probably could make, I would think, like $10,000 a month. You see the difference? Like, you make more money. Now, I have different streams of avenues where I make money. I make money through YouTube. I make money through affiliate marketing. I make money through my Google AdSense. I make money through my Etsy store, blogging, freelance, etc. But ClickBank will be my game changer for me if I took it 100% serious, which is what I'm doing now. This is the platform that I could potentially earn not only 10,000 a month just on one platform, but I could possibly earn 10,000 a day if I really committed to it and really learned how to do it the correct way and stick with it. So this is why I kind of wanted to bring it to you guys, because I'm also in the beginning stages of it, and I wanted to show you how much money I have made the past week. And I also wanted to bring it to your attention in case you guys want to do something different for 2020 and start making additional income doing a different platform. When you start doing blogging, it is a buildup of things. You have to grow your email list, you have to write, there's a lot of things involved. When you do an Etsy store, it's the same thing. You have to add your listings, you have to do product market research, you have to do all these things to build that store to make the type of money that you want to make. With ClickBank, it's fairly simple. They've done all the work for you. They give you all the information that you need, and all you pretty much need to do is market the product and start making money. So this is my week now. This is a whole new account that I started. I was making money with them prior, but it wasn't like consistent. It was like $300 here, maybe $100 every 5 months. It wasn't like consistent on a daily basis. So the last week I want to say I was started last Friday. And then Sunday, I decided to just go ahead and start running ads and stuff and so on. So from, let's say, Saturday of last week till today, which today is September 22nd, I have made about $300. So on Sunday, I made $199. On yesterday, I made $21.06. And today so far, unless I make more money, I have made $79.91. So literally, I have made $300 in a week with affiliate marketing. That's no customer service. I don't have to ship anything out. I don't have to make any orders, and I don't have to do anything else. It is just amazing to be able to make $300. Imagine if you made $300 every week. And that's it. And this is $300 in 4 sales. So it wasn't like $300 in 30 sales, in 4 sales only. So imagine if I made 1,000 sales like I do for Creative Market or for other vendors that I promote. Imagine if I made that much sales, how much more money I will make. So I kind of wanted to show you guys this for a bit of inspiration. It is worth watching the video at least and learning more about it. But the cool thing is, if you do end up signing up for ClickBank University, the price is very low. It's very cheap to join. And the information is it's just valuable. I think other people will charge anywhere from 1,000 or up just for all the stuff that they've been teaching me. I just suggest taking time when you do the training, blocking an hour every day or more if you could do a little bit more, but just blocking an hour every day and just like hitting it hard, just in taking action. Whatever they tell you at the end of the day, just do that action. And that way you could start making money right away and you don't have to wait. But it's a really easy process. And the people that are teaching you are people that are already millionaires that have sold millions of dollars through affiliate marketing or promoting their own products. So it's just amazing the knowledge that you get. But I kind of wanted to show you a snapshot of my commission and how much I've made so you guys could get inspired by it. Hopefully, with this case study that I'm doing for the next 3 months, hopefully the next time I show you my snapshot, maybe I'll be at 10,000. Who knows, right? But that's my goal, 10,000 a month. Hopefully it'll be 10,000 a day soon, but 10,000 a month, I will take that. So I'm going to show you ClickBank from the inside to kind of give you an idea. So this is a popular product that sells really well. I've been doing a lot of research from other affiliate marketers and also from Google, etc. And this is one of the top products that do really well on ClickBank. You could also, when you are looking for products, you could go down here and you could select from the categories. So if you want to go to health and fitness, you could select from here and it tells you all the different products, how much you get paid. This is another one as well here. We could look at this one as well. Flex belly. Oh no, you know what? I looked at this one already. I actually like the other one because it gives you more products, banners, etc. to promote. And I didn't feel like this one actually gave me enough. So, but anyways, you could go through here And what I recommend is when you look at the top products, what you want to do is you want to click here. It says affiliate page. When you click here, you end up going to this page here. And this is going to be your material as an affiliate marketer. What I recommend is promoting products that give you all the information already, so you don't have to do the research. What I did was I did research on are other people promoting it, and I saw a lot of people promoting it. And the stats of the product is really great. So every time you sell this product, you could make an average of $24. However, you could get up to 75% or more depending if they do an upsell. A lot of these products have like upsells. So if they sign up for the upsell, you make more money as well. When you click on the affiliate page, it gives you all the information you need, which is really nice because when you promote anywhere else, whether you have an Amazon store, Etsy store, if you have your own blog, if you have a small business, you have to do the market research. You have to come up with the banners. You have to come up with the wording. You have to come up with your email list, like sequence of what you're going to send out to customers. You pretty much have to do everything. You have to come up with the keywords, etc. But with ClickBank, these affiliate products already, they already done all the testing for you. They're already done what works, what doesn't work. And they're giving you all the information you need. So when you go to the affiliate page, it tells you here how much you will be making. So the main product is 37. So you make 75%, which is the $24.77, which is not bad. You're making 75% of whatever product you sell versus you making, or 50, depending on the product, but versus at Creative Market, you make 10% of that. So you'll make, 10 cents. It's just crazy, the difference of how much more money you will make. And when you come to this page, it tells you information of what you're selling or what you're promoting. It tells you more information here, how to get started. It gives you all these landing pages. So here you would just put your affiliate code, and when you join ClickBank, they'll give you one, or you create one. But here you put your name here, and that will replace the page. But these are different pages that you could send customers to buy. So I didn't put the name, so it's not working. So you have to make sure you put your name here and then open the link. But these are different links that they give you in order to start promoting your product. Their product, I mean. This is banners that they give you. So these are all the different banners. So if you do have, I don't know, like a health website, you could actually use their banners to promote. These are other banners you could use on the sidebar of your website as well. You could actually take these banners, like drag and drop. You could use these for like Facebook if you needed to do like an ad. You could use this as an Instagram post as well because it's like square shaped. These are additional banners here. So these are all banners that they give you. The only thing you have to make sure is that when you're using them, you put your code name right here. You replace that information so it could be tracked for your commission. These are product services, images that you could download. So you could simply just drag and drop like this to your computer. And there's the picture. And you could use these for if you create a Pinterest pin, or maybe you're going to do a Facebook banner, or maybe you're going to do a Facebook page on it, like a boosting of it, whatever you use it for. These are videos that you could download. So you could download this video, create a Facebook page where you promote health products, put the video there, do an ad for the video, and that's all you have to do, pretty much. These are all reviews of the videos that you could start using. These are emails. So these are all emails that you could start sending customers. These are pre-made emails already. So all you're doing is replacing it with their name, adding your link where it says add your link. And this is all you're doing, just sending this to your customers. If you have a health blog, or you want to start a health blog, you already have articles. These are articles that are already written for you This is article 1, article 2, female review, male review, that you could start using for material for your website or blog if you want to go that route. You don't have to. All you need is Facebook and ads. This is keywords and PPC ads. So if you run any type of Google AdWords ads, which is when you Google on Google and you see ads in there, these are the ads. They give you everything. They give you the title. They give you the web address. They give you what to write in the meta description. I mean, they're just giving you everything. And this is why it's so helpful, because you become successful, because they give you everything that you need to know about the product in order to run a successful campaign. And now when you start taking the training, they're going to teach you how to do it correctly, how to promote your products without a website, how to promote your products in different platforms. So all that information you will learn in ClickBank. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of when you find a product, you could actually get a lot of information for that product by just clicking on affiliate page, and it will show you everything that they offer in order for you to be successful. So I hope that you guys learned something new today. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, I highly recommend ClickBank. They've been around for a very long time. They're a very safe vendor. And not only can you promote other people's products, you can actually promote your own products as well. You could become a vendor and promote your products on ClickBank. I will leave the link below if you want to do that as well. And you could get other people to promote your product, and you start making money from affiliate marketers promoting you. So we wanted to bring this to everyone's attention. I know last week a couple people were requesting for more videos on affiliate marketing. I thought I would get a larger response of more people. So if you didn't tell me last week, but you are interested, make sure you leave it in the comment section so I can know that these videos are actually benefiting for you guys, or if I just stick with just XC only. But let me know below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys.